Hi everyone! Today it's treat day at work and I made pineapple cherry crumble. Here's how I made it.
Add 1/2 cup of oats to a box of yellow cake mix. Next I add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Add about a 1/2 cup of the honey roasted pecan pieces. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Spray your baking dish. Add pineapple chunks to the bottom of your pan. Add a can of cherry pie filling. Make sure the cherries and pineapples are all mixed in together. And now you're going to pour the dry mixture all over the cherries and pineapple and spread it out so it's even. Melt 1 cup of butter in the microwave. Top with the melted butter. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 minutes.